Good morning, I'm Sakshi Dalal. Today we are here from International Institute of Business Studies, where they have provided us an opportunity to visit Miranti, a 5G experience center. So basically, what is Miranti? It is a technology park in Malaysia which is supported by the Malaysian government. Miranti provides us platform and support to various innovative ideas. They provide material and other things which are required for an innovative idea to enter the market in the realistic world. Recently, we have seen Miranti 5G Experience Center, 3D printers and drone for security purpose. And interestingly, Miranti has recently visited India and had a word with Tata Company and how India has survived during the hardships of COVID when all the countries were hit by COVID-19. But India fortunately survived due to its food policy. So Miranti had a really good talk with Tata and is planning to collaborate with India. I would genuinely like to thank my institute and our principal sir for providing us this opportunity to visit Miranta and innovate our ideas and experience here. Thank you.